that you can see everything from up close.
You promised you'd come back for me.
I will.
When?
You have to be patient. Be good.
Come back soon.
Goodbye, Madam Morris! Good luck! I knew it wasn't an illusion. What are you doing?
Nothing.
You wouldn't be looking for a hot air balloon, would you?
No.
I wouldn't expect it to come back as soon as you'd like. Hey, can I look through that tube?
Yes, sir. Don't worry. It's just the optical effect.
Well, I don't like those optical effects.
Leo is far away.
Are you sure?
Yeah, he's as far away as...
Oh, I've never seen you cry before, Marselino.
I'm not crying.
I'm sad too, and hungry. I'm an outlaw. The nature of my work has left me without any friends.
You call anything work.
I didn't choose this life, Marselino. If only I had been born a little boy like you.
If you come to the kitchen tonight, when the friars are in chapel, I'll give you some food.
You don't know what a friend is until you've had one.
But you have to promise not to bother the hens.
If you bring me snacks, I'll respect the hens. And naturally, if you put a bit of sugar with the eggs, I'll respect them even more.
Did you eat the eggs that were in the meat safe, Marselino? Because they could make you sick.
I didn't eat the eggs.
Oh, it must have been a little bird then. Whoa!
Open the door for him, Brother Ding Dong. We can't leave him outdoors.
Would you let someone like that in your house?
Never! And certainly not at this hour.
Oh, something bad's gonna happen one of these days.
My name is Don Diego Ruiz. You may be surprised to see me dressed like this.
Each man can dress as he likes.
Well, I am an actor. My theater company was performing in a town nearby. When the play ended, I went out for a walk and I lost my way in the fog. I won't be missed until tomorrow at 5 o'clock in the evening.
You can stay here tonight.
Thank you, Father. I won't be any bother at all.
What play is it that your group is putting on?
The Phantom of the Opera.
Oh, how interesting.
Oh,
Don't be frightened. Do you know who I am?
no, but I think we've seen each other somewhere before. You remind me of a friend of mine.
I'm your friend, the Ghost.
My friend the Ghost can't leave the Duke of Must's mansion.
I have special permission from my superiors. My supreme judges have informed me that tonight, Marselino, I can try to redeem myself and rest in peace forever.
Who are your judges?
The ghosts of the Grand Council. I need a friend I tried to ask Piero the Midget, but every time I got close to him, he would pass out in fright. I need a true friend who is brave and generous. What we call a paladin. And it has to be tonight.
But I can't leave the monastery as a paladin or anything else.
Don't worry about that. I'll stop time, and nobody will notice you're gone.
That's impossible.
Everything is possible, Marselino, as you know very well.
Huh? Did you just stop the world?
So it would appear. Are you afraid?
No.
Then come with me.
Oh! Ah! Oh!
I'm sorry, Marselino. I forgot that you were from this world.
You should pay more attention. Brother Ding Dong! Brother Bird! Yippee! They look like statues. It's Marselino! I'm flying! Goodbye! You're gonna ram me into the wall!
Did we crash again?
No, but it was close.
Don't go through walls, open doors. Don't go through walls, open doors, or he'll run into them. Open doors.
Where are we?
Come with me. If all goes well, tomorrow I will be able to rest here.
Don Diego Chevalier e22, first Duke of Must, 1719 to 1795.
Who was evil in life and cruel to animals and humans. That I was.
You were bad?
But you taught me how to be good, Marselino.
So what do you want me to do now?
I need a friend who believes in me and who is capable of proving it, no matter what the consequences.
Okay. I'm here for you, Don Diego. Don't be nervous.
Are you scared?
No.
It could be very dangerous.
Come on, let's not waste any more time.
Hold on tight.
Silence! Silence! I hold you in contempt of court.
Now I am a little scared.
You can go home whenever you want, Marselino.
No, I'm your paladin.
Who is your paladin?
Your Honor, Marselino Panivino.
He's an innocent little boy who doesn't know what he's talking about. He's been tricked into coming.
I am a little boy, but I wasn't tricked, and I do know what I'm talking about.
This court doesn't admit minors.
Age doesn't count in this court.
It does count.
It doesn't.
Silence! Or I'll hold you in contempt of court. I hold the gavel in this courtroom. The court admits Marselino Panivino as paladin for the first Duke of Must. Prosecutor, make your argument.
Don Diego Chevalier, the first Duke of Must, was a cruel and evil man.
Objection! The prosecutor is prejudging the defendant.
We've known this for over 300 years.
I object!
Objection overruled.
I object to the objection.
If the counsel for the defense does not calm down, he'll be held in contempt, and I'll appoint a solicitor from the court.
I repeat, Don Diego, the first Duke of Must, was a cruel and evil man who did nothing else in his life but hunt innocent animals, mistreat his servants, and torture his various wives.
What's wrong?
It's true. It's all true. I don't deserve mercy.
Don Diego Chevalier should be condemned to roaming the halls of his successor's mansion for another 300 years to...
Less time!
No, silence!
As I was saying, Your Honor, I'd say 300 to 1,000 years!
It's true that the first Duke of Must was a cruel and wicked renegade, but it's not less true that he paid for his wrongs and that he now deserves to rest in peace.
Criminals don't deserve to rest in peace!
Silence! 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 The prosecutor will abstain from delivering opinions that nobody has asked for.
We mustn't forget, Your Honor, that Don Diego saved the forest animals from the hunt and rescued the farm animals from the butcher's knife. He also helped the Franciscan friars, Remy the giant hen, the wise veterinarian Dr. Mateo, and even Marselino Vino. At the very least, he has the right to present a paladin, a generous friend who is willing to believe.
Marselino Vino, paladin for the first Duke of Must. Are you a friend of the first Duke of Must, Don Diego the Ghost?
Yes?
Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he deserves to rest in peace?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Would you be willing to sacrifice your life for him to prove through your generosity and worthiness that friendship is invincible?
Oh, yes, sir.
You will undergo 3 trials. I should warn you, Marselino Vino, that your life is in jeopardy.
No, Marselino, don't do it. Go home. I don't deserve any sacrifices.
Take him away.
Goodbye, Marselino. Goodbye.
No!
We'll never see each other again.
I'm willing, sir.
No, Marselino. Your life is worth much more than mine.
Go ahead, sir.
First of all, Marselino Vino, you must confront a giant lion. And Don Diego the Ghost must be present. You can escape whenever you want, Marselino.
Goodbye, cruel world.
What did you say?
Goodbye, cruel world.
You speak my language? What are you doing here?
I'm offering up my life to save my friend, the ghost's soul.
And I'm supposed to eat you?
I guess so.
So I'm the bad guy.
Oh, no. You're just the ferocious lion.
Well, I don't want to eat a little boy, especially one who talks like my brothers. You're like a little lion, and I don't eat little lions. It's not fair. Why do I always have to be the bad guy?
Oh, don't cry.
I want to help you. I don't want to eat you.
You are helping me.
You passed the first test, Marselino. Now you have to throw yourself into this pit. You don't need to tremble or fear. You just have to trust yourself.
Come with me, Marselino. I'll take you back to the monastery. You've already done enough for me.
It's strange how a ghost as brave as you can get scared over something as silly as this. He told me not to tremble or fear.
The moment has come for the grand test, Marselino. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Silence! In order for Don Diego the Ghost to redeem himself and be able to rest in peace, you must offer up your heart. Do you accept this sacrifice?
Yes, sir.
No, Marselino! I'll just be bad again. I don't deserve your generosity. Besides, I love to be bad and wander through the halls.
Silence, or I'll hold you in contempt. I'm ready.
Enough! Marselino Vino's bravery, faith, and generosity have redeemed Don Diego, who may now rest forever in peace, thanks to his paladin.
I'd like to ask for a favor, Your Honor.
Whatever you desire, Don Diego.
Will Your Honor allow me to deliver one last fright upon my descendant, the present Duke of Must?
Oh, it would be my pleasure. Who are you?
You know very well who I am.
What do you want?
I came to say goodbye.
No. You came to take me away. No, I'll give you whatever you ask for. Treasures, cattle, masses, whatever you want. Help!
So, I'll never get to see you again?
I'll always be with you. Oh, I hate goodbyes. Thank you, Marselino. Don't ever forget about that big, generous heart of yours.
And don't you forget your sense of humor, Uncle Diego.
Why do you call me Uncle?
Probably because I love you.
Oh, don't cry. I'm very happy, too. I've never cried before. I didn't know that ghosts were even allowed to cry. Goodbye, Marselino.
Goodbye, Uncle Diego. Sleep well, and don't forget me.
talk so loud. We'll wake up Marselino. Good night. Shh.
What were those flowers for, Marselino? For my uncle, the ghost. Oh, I see.
Predicted every 1,000 moons a child with magical powers is born, and it came true. One day a poor weeping lady left a small babe, we're told, on the steps of a monastery out in the cold. His name is Marselino, Paddy Vino. He's a marvel, Marselino, full of magic, fun and courage. He's a real hero. His name is Marselino, Paddy Vino. Wise and brave is Marselino. All the animals, birds and people love him so. Blossoming out of the snow.